Good morning, one and all. I am Hafsa from class 10th. Today, November 11th, National Education Day. National Education Day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, who was served as the National Education Minister of India from 1947 to 1958. The contribution of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad to founding education in India is recognized by celebrating his birthday on November 11th as National Education Day across India. India is moving rapidly towards spreading education throughout all corners and levels of the nation. But how safe is this education? We must not for a moment forget it is the birthright of every individual to receive at least the basic education, without which he cannot fully discharge his duties as a citizen, said Maulana Azad in January 16, 1948 at the All India Education Conference. He emphasized educating the rural poor and girls. He also promoted adult literacy, universal primary education, free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14, girls' education, and the diversification of secondary education and vocational training. Recently, in 2009, the government enacted the Right to Education Act. This law provided the right to elementary education to each child of the country. That same year, the Prime Minister's speech on Independence Day made it clear that funds will not be a constraint as far as education is concerned. However, India still needs to address safety issues together with its education agenda. The current long-term efforts of the government by SSA Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan are indeed creating the suitable atmosphere to adjust these issues and to integrate the safety of children and schools with education targets. This year, the government approved a centrally sponsored NSSP National School Safety Program at a cost of Rs 48.47 crore for promoting the culture of safety in schools, to be achieved by initiating policy level change and capacity building of officials, teachers, students, and school stakeholders. Development agencies must show their readiness to take his ahead and reach out the every corner of India to promote a culture of safety in education. With the continuous efforts of agency to spread education across local and national levels, more and more children now go to schools. Our nation is edging closer to universal primary education, but the pace must be accelerated if the 2015 target of enrolling all children in school MDG Millennium Development Goal is to be met. In South Asia, primary education reached 90% in 2007 up to 79% in 2000. To achieve Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad's dream and universal primary education, India should increase the primary school enrollment rate to 100% and wipe out the dropouts by 2050. Thank you. Have a nice day.